Hey everyone, my name is Felix and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my channel dedicated to the mesmerizing world of deep sky astrophotography. At the age of 35, my journey into the cosmos began around 5 years ago when I attended an event called Nuit des étoiles in French, aka literally the Night of Stars in English. That experience ignited a passion within me, leading me to become the proud owner of an astrophotography setup 4 years later. I started this channel with a mission in mind, to help newcomers navigate the intricate world of astrophotography. When I began this journey, I found it challenging to access tips and guidance, so now I'm here to share as much as I can to help others embark on this incredible journey. Let's be honest, I'm French, I have an accent, and I am an amateur. I'm not the best to give advice, but I believe I still can help newbies. Capturing these spectacles requires a delicate balance of artistry and precision. At the heart of my setup is the William Optics RedCat 51 telescope. Whether you choose to start small or save up for a more comprehensive setup, remember that the night sky will always be there, will always be the same, waiting to be explored. With dedication, perseverance, and a sense of wonder, you will soon find yourself capturing stunning images of the cosmos, regardless of where you begin. One of the primary challenges I have encountered on my astrophotography journey is the daunting task of learning independently. As a self-taught enthusiast, I have often grappled with the complexities of capturing deep sky objects without the guidance of formal instruction. However, this challenge serves as a driving force behind my channel. Through sharing my experiences, tips, and techniques, I aim to alleviate the frustration faced by fellow enthusiasts. Navigating these challenges often requires relying on my intuition. While this approach may not always yield immediate results, each setback serves as an invaluable learning opportunity, guiding me towards greater understanding and proficiency. There is a profound sense of wonder that accompanies the realization that with each image captured, we are peering into the depths of space and time. Through astrophotography, we gain insights into the origins of our galaxy, piecing together the cosmic puzzle and forging a deeper connection to the cosmos. If you are ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the cosmos, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, clear skies and happy stargazing. Bye!